Hey everybody, welcome. Have you ever wondered what makes a relationship truly special? We're about to dive deep into the secrets of understanding the amazing women in your lives. We're going to talk about respect, honesty, and all those good things that create a strong foundation for a love that lasts. So whether you're just starting out or you've been together for years, get ready for some fun, insightful tips that'll have you saying, "Ellen, you're right. This is great advice." Let's get started. Secret 1, speak from the heart. Communication is key in any relationship, right? But with the special women in our lives, it's not just about talking, it's about really connecting. It's about putting down your phone, looking into her eyes, and genuinely listening to what she has to say. But trust me, when you put in the effort to truly hear her, to understand her dreams, her fears, her hopes, that's when the magic happens. That's when you build a bond that's unbreakable. Share your thoughts and feelings with her too. Be open, be honest, be vulnerable. It's okay to let your guard down and let her see the real you. So start small, ask her about her day, really listen to her response and watch your relationship blossom. Trust me, those words go a long way. Go a long. Secret 2, the key to her heart. All right, folks, let's talk about active listening. This is huge. It's not just about hearing her words, it's about really paying attention, about being present in the moment. Put away the distractions, silence your phone, and give her your undivided attention. When you actively listen to her, you're showing her that you value her thoughts, her feelings, her experiences. You're saying, "You matter to me, and I want to hear what you have to say." And that, my friends, is priceless. It's about body language, too. Make eye contact, nod your head, and use those verbal cues like, and tell me more to show her you're engaged. It's all about creating a safe space for open and honest communication. Secret 3, every little thing counts. Let's talk about appreciation, folks. It's like the sunshine that makes a relationship bloom. Everyone wants to feel appreciated, right? Well, women are no different. Think about it. Those little things she does for you, the way she makes you laugh, the way she takes care of you when you're feeling down, those are all expressions of her love. And you know what? She deserves to be recognized for it. Now, showing appreciation doesn't have to be complicated. It can be as simple as saying thank you for a delicious meal, noticing her new haircut, or leaving her a sweet note before you head out the door. It's the thought that counts. A bouquet of her favorite flowers, a handwritten letter expressing your love, or even just a small trinket that reminds you of her can go a long way. So go ahead. Make her feel like the amazing woman she is. Secret 4, walking in her shoes. Okay, folks, buckle up because we're about to talk about empathy and understanding. Empathy is all about putting yourself in her shoes, trying to see the world from her perspective, even if you don't always agree. It's about listening to her feelings without judgment, validating her emotions, and letting her know that you understand where she's coming from. And let me tell you, that kind of understanding can make all the difference in a relationship. Now, I know what you're thinking, Ellen. It's not always easy to understand where she's coming from, but that's where the effort comes in. It's about being willing to listen, to learn, and to grow together. Sometimes the best thing you can do is just be there for her, to offer a shoulder to cry on, and to let her know that you're in her corner no matter what. It creates a positive feedback loop that strengthens your bond and deepens your connection. Secret 5, the foundation of trust. Let's talk about honesty and transparency, folks. These are the cornerstones of any strong and healthy relationship. Trust me, when it comes to love, honesty is always the best policy. Now, I'm not just talking about the big things here. It's the little things too. Being honest about your feelings, your thoughts, your fears, even if it feels a little scary. Transparency is all about being open and upfront with each other. When you're transparent, you're creating a safe space for authenticity and genuine connection. Because once trust is broken, it can be incredibly difficult to rebuild. Secret 6, creating lasting memories. All right, let's talk about shared interests. You know, those activities and passions that you both enjoy doing together. They're like the glue that holds a relationship together and creates those unforgettable memories. Think about it. When you share interests, you have built-in opportunities for quality time, for laughter, for adventure, and for creating those shared experiences that bring you closer together. Now, it doesn't have to be anything fancy. The important thing is that you're both enjoying yourselves, that you're connecting, and that you're creating those lasting memories that you'll cherish for years to come. So go ahead, explore your shared passions, try something new together, and watch your bond grow stronger with every shared experience. Secret 7, giving space to breathe. Okay, folks, let's talk about boundaries. Now, I know what you're thinking, boundaries in a relationship, but trust me on this one. Boundaries are crucial for a healthy and happy partnership. Think of boundaries as those invisible lines that define your personal space, your needs, and your limits. And just like you wouldn't want someone to cross your physical boundaries, it's important to respect each other's emotional and mental boundaries as well. Now, respecting boundaries doesn't mean you can't be close. It just means you're giving each other the space to be yourselves, to pursue your own interests, and to have time apart when you need it. When you feel respected and understood, you're more likely to feel secure and connected to your partner. Talk to each other about your needs, your limits, and what makes you feel comfortable. Secret 8, big impact on her heart. All right, let's talk about small gestures because let me tell you, they pack a powerful punch. You know, those little acts of kindness, those thoughtful surprises, those sweet gestures that show her you're thinking about her. It's amazing how something as simple as bringing her a cup of coffee in bed, leaving a sweet note in her lunchbox, or giving her a foot massage after a long day can make her feel so loved and appreciated. And you know what else is great about small gestures? They don't have to cost a fortune. It's the thought that counts. It's about showing her that you're paying attention, that you care, and that you want to make her happy. They're like the little sprinkles on a cupcake that make it extra sweet and delicious. Secret 9, her biggest cheerleader. Let's talk about being supportive, folks. We all need someone in our corner, someone who believes in us, someone who cheers us on, especially the amazing women in our lives. Think about it. Life can be tough sometimes, right? We face challenges, setbacks, and moments of self-doubt. And that's when having a supportive partner can make all the difference. Being supportive means being there for her, through thick and thin, through the ups and the downs. It means listening to her dreams, encouraging her goals, and celebrating her successes. Let her know that you believe in her, even when she doubts herself. It's about being her rock, her safe haven, the one person she can always count on. Secret 10, the ultimate key to her heart. All right, folks, let's talk about trust. It's the foundation of any strong and lasting relationship, the glue that holds everything together. And let me tell you, building trust takes time, effort, and consistency. It's about being there for each other, through thick and thin, through the good times and the bad. It's about keeping your promises, being honest with each other, and always having each other's backs. Now, trust isn't something you build overnight. It's like a garden. You have to nurture it, care for it, and protect it from the elements. And just like a garden, trust can blossom into something beautiful when it's given the right attention. It's about choosing each other every single day. Well, there you have it, folks. We've covered a lot of ground today, from communication and empathy to small gestures and building trust. Remember, building a strong and loving relationship takes effort, but the rewards are immeasurable. So go out there and put these tips into practice. Show the special women in your lives how much you care. Now go make her heart soar.